The Sun is a massive, incredibly hot and luminous ball of gas located at the center of our solar system. It primarily consists of hydrogen, about 74%, and helium, about 24%, with trace amounts of other elements. The energy production of the Sun is primarily driven by a process called nuclear fusion. Here's how the Sun works. 1. Nuclear fusion. In the Sun's core, the tremendous pressure and temperature cause hydrogen atoms to fuse together to form helium in a process called nuclear fusion. This process releases an immense amount of energy in the form of light and heat. 2. Energy transport. The energy produced in the Sun's core moves outward through the layers of the Sun by a process of radiation and convection. It can take thousands to millions of years for energy generated in the core to reach the Sun's surface. 3. Radiation. In the innermost regions, energy is transported by radiation, which is the movement of photons, light particles. This radiation bounces around inside the Sun, gradually making its way to the surface. 4. Convection. In the outer layers, energy is transported by convection. Hot gas rises from the core to the surface, releases energy, cools, and then sinks back down to be reheated. This convection process creates the surface features we see on the Sun, like sunspots. 5. The photosphere. The visible surface of the Sun is called the photosphere. This is where most of the light and heat generated by nuclear fusion escape into space as sunlight. The temperature of the photosphere is around 5,500 degrees Celsius, 932 degrees Fahrenheit. 6. Solar wind. The Sun also emits a continuous stream of charged particles, primarily electrons and protons, known as the solar wind. This solar wind influences the space and magnetic environment of the entire solar system. Am I making sense?